Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Through it, we express emotions and desires. Our mouth cannot speak and our heart cannot fathom. It takes us on a journey of devotion and fidelity towards the Almighty Himself. Today, the two budding flowers of Nrityaganga Pradarshaka Kala Kendra, Kumari Namita A. Bhaktan and Kumari Nidhi A. Bhaktan, are going to embark on such a journey. Let's all shower them with abundance of love and blessings. Namita and Nidhi started learning Bharatanatyam at a tender age of 6 and 5. They are well sculpted and tuned under the guidance of a very humble and resourceful Guru, Vidushi Rupashri Madhusudan. Today has been a result of the constant support and encouragement by their art-loving parents, Srimati Shobha and Shri Anand A. Bhaktan. Both Namita and Nidhi, being versatile artists, have performed in various notable events like the Independence Day celebration at Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research, Tirupati Devasthanam in Alleppey, Koranjeri and Kochi. They have also been part of various dance programs like Nritya Kinkini conducted by Nisha Natyalaya Shala and various other programs organized by Nrityaganga Pradarshaka Kala Kendra. They have received awards and appreciation from various institutions for their performances. Their devotion and passion for the classical art form is shown through their dance and how they aspire to perfect themselves as Bharatanatyam dancers, upholding the rich cultural art along with their profession. Achieving so much at such a young age, both the sisters have shown that art is indeed the path to the Lord's heart. Ranga Pravesham is the first dream of every dancer. It's a wonderful opportunity for the blossoming artists to put forth their best performance of everything they have learned in the field of Bharatanatyam, declaring their eternal devotion and surrenderance to Lord Nataraja. Ranga Pravesham, being the onset of one's ability to present complete suite of traditional repertoire, is not possible without the strong counsel of the Guru. Srimati Rupashri Madhusudan has been the wings of these aspiring dancers since the beginning of their Bharatanatyam journey, being committed and dedicated in bringing out the best in their students. Being the heart and soul of the Nrityaganga Trust, she is an art aficionado, loved and supported by her mother, Srimati Meenakshi Venugopal, and her family on both the sides. Every Ranga Pravesham is a grand success because of the importance given to the minute details. This has been exceptionally managed by Sri Madhusudan, who has shown great heed and love towards the Nrityaganga Trust, making it a complete family. He has supported and encouraged Srimati Rupashri Madhusudan in all her endeavours and in true sense has been the backbone of this entire initiative. We are indeed blessed to have such an invigorating power like him. This celebration of art itself is incomplete without the support of the musicians who, by their enticing performance, enrich the entire experience and bring us closer to the demiurge. Our music ensemble is blessed by internationally reputed masters who have been the main pillars of the Nritya Ganga Trust and its growth. We have Vidushi Deepthi Srinath on vocals, Vidwan Srihari Rangaswamy on mridangam, Vidwan Karthik Datar on rhythm pad, Vidwan Karthik Satwalli on flute, Vidwan Shankar Raman on veena, Vidwan C. Madhusudan on violin, Vidushi Rupashri Madhusudan on Nattuvangam. Finally, we thank our art-loving audience who have shown up today to give their unconditional blessing to our Namita and Nidhi who have begun their auspicious journey and seek your guidance and endearment. Thank you all.